to deal with overstretching. The first point: don't overstretch the film to avoid this problem. The second point: use cold pre-stretch technique. After heating the film, allowing it to cool down without shrinking. Then slowly stretch and expand the film while it is in a relatively relaxed state. Keep the stretching intensity of the film within 3% when applying it. The third point: all wrap films have memory, especially calendered films. If there are wrinkles or recesses on the wrap, you can use heat to restore the film's shape. The fourth point: do not apply heat to the film while stretching it simultaneously, as it can easily lead to curling, bubbling, or color fading issues.